Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we are on the Greenbrier River outside of Hinton, and sometimes y'all want to see the campgrounds. So I'm going to pan around without my face in the camera for that person that last time I showed you a campground. He's like, why do you YouTubers always have to have your face in the camera? I don't know, it's kind of what we do, dude. But anyhow, without my face in the camera, here we go. So almost all the campers in here are set up permanent. They're under sheds and all that, and there's not too many in here. The Greenbrier is not affected by the historic floods they had in western North Carolina just a week and a few days ago. But the New River here in Hinton is, and I am going to go up. There's a dam right up here on the New River. It's a Bluestone, because the Bluestone River, New River, and the Greenbrier converge in Hinton. The New River continues on, so I will get, the New River converges and it keeps going, and I will get some shots of that real quick on my way back out of here. But yeah, a gentleman called, said his skylight was leaking in his bathroom, just dripping right in the shower. So I did run up there and look at it. The skylight has a crack in it, but I can only see one crack. There is another skylight which I have not seen yet. So if it's just that one crack, it's just about this long, I'm going to put some sealer on it. Suggest that the guy maybe next year still has the camper to maybe change the skylights out. Maybe it's, they get old, brittle. They got a life expectancy, and maybe these have exceeded that. But yeah, let me jump up here. A lot of dew on this roof. We're going to inspect the whole roof though, make sure nothing else looks iffy. So let's run up there. Well, by us, I mean, let me run up the ladder. I'll show you the little crack in the skylight that I found, and then we'll get up there and look at the rest of the roof. Well, one thing about it, I'm not the first person to be up here resealing stuff. I see a place right there that's kind of iffy. The roof is really solid. So I'll accept that one spot right there. And as you can tell, there's no ladder on it. So don't buy into that myth about if you don't have a ladder, you can't walk on it. Here's another one of them places. Well, I think that's just a leaf. I think a leaf got in the sealer when the last guy was up here. I don't know what that is. There's a big one. See, you kind of see the imprint of a leaf. That's what it looks like to me anyway. So yeah, this lucky guy's got two skylights. Looks like they're the same size, I believe. Looks like somebody sprayed something on this roof too. They got it on the awning. I don't know what they would have sprayed on here. It doesn't really have a lot of holes in it. They're all up front. Vents, skylights, air conditioner. Nothing in the back here at all, except the back corners and the back seam. It all looks good to me. So yeah, I guess we're going to concentrate up front here. say, I will clean that, put some sealer on that, because that's the only crack that I see. I'll get down and look at that really good. I did see some stuff up front here, but I'm starting to think now it's just leaves got in the sealer. See, that's like a perfect imprint of a leaf. There's a little weak spot right there. So let's avoid that area. See, I saw this. I thought I saw these spots when I got up here. But that's just leaves. That's all it is. So I really don't see any problems with any of the other seals other than just that Skylight. Alright. Let's just dry this up a little bit. So let's break a cardinal rule. Let's clean this roof with a little bit of brake cleaner. And a brand new clean rag. Try and peel those edges up, make sure they're stuck good. They are. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit of Dykel on that corner. All right, we give that a few minutes to dry. There's kind of a pond built right there in that corner, so I want to kind of eliminate that area there where the water could pool. So we'll just fill that in a little bit, and I'm going to go over there and give that Skylight a good visual inspection while we're here. And if I don't find anything over there, this will be it. So as always, thanks for watching. From the beautiful Greenbrier River this morning. Beautiful fall morning here in West Virginia. I'm probably gonna go up there and fix another one. I will get y'all some quick shots of the new river behind the Bluestone Dam over there. And then we will catch you next time. Well, I know I say it a lot, but it seems like it happens a lot. That escalated quickly. Actually got down on my hands and knees and went over and inspected that Skylight over the kitchen thoroughly, and it had a 6-inch crack in it. So I'm going to suggest to the guy that we replace them Skylights. And this is Bluestone Lake. It looks like they have, I'll zoom in on that, looks like they got a lot of this debris contained in buoys. And then I'll stop down at the dam also. It looks like I can barely see it down that way. It looks like they got it all contained in buoys also. As you can see, there's still some debris, but man, they got most of it. That's pretty cool how they do that. Ooh, let me zoom you back out. This is Army Corps Engineer Lake, so they jumped on this stuff pretty quick. So let's run down to the dam and look down there. Well, that was cool. I was walking out here on the dam. You can only walk out here a few yards now. Guy's like, you have a YouTube channel? I said, yeah. He said, man, I watch you. I was like, well, I'm sorry. Yeah, but we are at the dam, and quite a bit of debris here. It's pretty crazy. Sad. A lot of broken dreams and heartache down there. So yeah, hey, thanks for watching. I may or may not go fix another one today, but y'all have a fantastic day.